Hello, I'm Chris from Axiom Orthodontic Studios. I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and 3D metal printed bands. As you can see here, these are the bands. They are printed directly from your scan. And this is a Hyrax made from the scans in the band. Because they're made from the scan, there are no spacers necessary. The band is made so that it doesn't go into the interproximal or subgingival, which makes the spacer appointment unnecessary. It vastly improves the patient experience. The fit is guaranteed. There's no more wrestling with bands and band sizes. There's no more wrestling with the appliance on oddly angled teeth. They're just simply a better product, and they improve your bottom line. How much is that extra appointment worth to you? How much are the future appointments with X, Y, and Z worth to you? Every doctor that I have spoken to that has made the switch to the 3D printed bands have not gone back. One doctor just said that his first appliance, it fit like a glove, bonded perfectly. There's some concern about the appliance staying in place because, as I mentioned, it does not go into the interproximal. That's where this comes in, the bonding protocol. It's different than what you're used to, but this bonding protocol was developed for me and has been in use now for over 3 years with no issues. Like I said, the bonding protocol is a little bit different. Call or write if you would like any more information. And if you're local, I would be happy to stop by with samples, answer any questions or concerns that you might have. But why me? Why Axiom Orthodontic Studios? Well, I've been at this now for a long time, about 35 years. In my old lab, it was one of the first, if the not first small lab in the country to provide 100% digital workflow. After I learned the technology and set things up, I went out and helped my doctors make the transition as well. Then I went out and formed a national association to help other labs do the same. It's what I do. Your patient is my priority, has always been my business philosophy. I just want a better experience for your patients. I want there to be less aggravation for you and for me. I work with and learn from some of the best technicians in the world. A good friend of mine is Socrates Ganidas of Ganidas Lab in Athens, Greece. He's both a friend and a mentor. If you are lucky, like me, and get invited, go. Spend a day in the lab and then do what I did and go and check out this place on the island of Milos. Everything you have heard about the amazing Greek islands, it's all true. My expertise and my 35 years of experience are at your service. Thanks for watching.